Hey, superstars. Hey, this is Wesley, billion dollar virgin here with another video for you where I'm going to discuss basically how to make money every 10 seconds, okay? I know, it's crazy, right? I have a website that I'm going to show you right here in this video here. No cap, this is real. How to make money every 10 seconds. It's a website that I'm going to give to you right on this video here, okay? So as you're jumping here, make sure you pay attention. Make sure you write the website down because you don't want to miss a beat. And make sure you always sub to my channel here. Wesley, billion dollar virgin, let's go. Okay, and make sure you smash the like button only after I give you massive value, which I will in this video here. And what I like to do, before I get started, I always like to prove to you that I'm making money on the internet. And here's one of my accounts. Let me sign out because I'm going to make sure this is legit for you. This is my merchant account, okay? This is just one of my accounts that pay me a bunch of money here. And I've just created a new company online. And listen, I help other people do this every day, all day, okay? Which means you could do it too, but you have to pay attention. You have to learn and have an open mind. If I go to transactions reports here, and if we go from 8/1 to 8/18, I want to show you guys how much money I've made in the past 18 days. This is one account, okay? And to make that very clear, this is one of several accounts that I use and I help people every day. I'll leave a link in the bio if you want the full training to the method to my madness here, and it's free, by the way. You hit the submit button here, and if you scroll down here, so far I've made $20,000. So that's like $1,000 a day. And listen, that's profit, okay? I'm not spending any money on ads for this income. And there's other accounts that I do. I spend about maybe $300,000 to $400,000 a month on advertising, but on this account specifically, I don't spend any money because I use very cool organic ways to make money, which a lot of people are not using. And I'm using it, and I give it away for free in the link below. So make sure if you go to my YouTube channel, which you're on right now, but I know you guys are on Facebook while I'm recording this video here, just in the link, make sure you go to the link that says wesleyvirgin.com full training. So let me show you the website basically that's going to pay you every 10 seconds. Here it is. Boom. It's called bucksinside.com. And this is my account here. As you can see, I've already earned some money here, but let me log out, okay? Now, disclaimer, let me be very honest with you. One, this is worldwide. It doesn't matter where you are around the world. It doesn't matter if you're standing on the bridge. It doesn't matter if you're in Africa, you're in New Jersey, New York, Philippines, Thailand. Anybody can do this, okay? If you get serious, now listen, I know one guy, he's making $12 every 10 seconds, okay? It's crazy, right? Now, I'm not making that type of money on this website. I'm making a little money, but he's doing it. It's because, well, you got to focus. You got to be hardworking. If you're a lazy person, this is probably not going to work for you. You're probably not going to make a lot of money. Okay? It doesn't matter what you do on the internet or what you do in life. You still have to grind, hustle, work, learn, have an open mind. Listen to the very end of the video. Okay? Does this make sense? Is everybody with me so far? Click the like button now. If you wait to the very end, I'm going to give away some free money. So make sure you wait to the very end because you're going to love what I'm about to do, and you're going to love it a lot. So what you do is you hit the word register here. Can everybody see this? Okay. Register here, and you basically just put in your information here, okay? Email, right? Can everybody see this? Just hit the like button. I'm using my iPhone. I know it's not professional, but so what? See that right here? Email here, confirm your email, and you don't need to put nothing referred by. I'm not trying to make money off you guys, so don't worry about that. And you put your currency right here. It doesn't matter if you're in Japan, British pounds, Kazakhstan, Hong Kong. They service everybody actually, okay? And then you go to your payment methods. You have to choose one of these payment methods, okay? PayPal, Cash, Perfect Money, and they send you the money every day. Once you hit the threshold, about 5 cents, okay? Every day you get paid from this website. And you may say, well, Weston, how are you getting paid? Let me show you. Let me log in. Let me show you something. Hold on. So let me log into my account. Hold on. Give me a second. Let me see. Music and note here. And log in now. And basically, as you can see here, I got half a penny so far. Listen, I know it doesn't sound like a lot, but Yeah, it's free money here, okay? Then you go to view ads and pay attention. Let me show you something here, okay? View ads here, and you just click the word view fix advertisements, and you just stay here. You just browse and click and browse and have fun and just enjoy yourself, right? And what starts to happen is you'll start seeing the money right here. See, look at that. I just made money. I just made a half a penny, just like that. That was 10 seconds, right? I mean, it happens. It's just like they just imagine this website just sending you money every 10 seconds. That's what they do every 10 seconds, as long as you're browsing. I think your mouse has to be moving, right? You can't just leave it there. But what I would do, I just get my kid to do it. I get my dog to do it. I know a guy, I swear to God, this is gonna sound crazy. This guy, because I'm a part of this special group, and this is what they do. They have all these weird websites that pay a ton of money. And you have his dog doing it some type of way. He has this dog that engages on the content, moves the mouse, and he makes about a couple of $100 per week doing that. That's what should I say? His dog is doing it, right? So he just makes money. You hit next, and then bam, 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 it takes you to these other sites. You just keep browsing, and they're gonna just keep paying you the money here. You just keep making the money. See that? Just make 1 penny here. And that's with 10 seconds. I know a guy, like I said, he's using some cool ways, right? And he's making $12. Like, I'm kind of new to this, right? You know? But I know a lot of people, they're making a ton of money on this website. Listen, if you learn it, if you practice, if you understand, you read, and you'll discover new ways to how to make money on this website, you can make a ton of money, you know, but you have to focus. You have to want to learn how to do it, okay? But I just wanted to show you this. This is some free money. They pay you every single day. This money just keeps going up every time that you're browsing the website here. And it's really cool. You know, it's really cool here. Let's go to prize here, okay? And you see the people. It's a lot of people on the website right now, 293, right? And it has people that are just making money right now all over the world. Look at that. Somebody in Canada there. Africa, Spain, United States of America. So anybody can do this, and it's bucksinside.com here. And remember, in the comment section below, always let me know what country you are, what city, what state, so I make sure that these videos that I do on how to make money right now online that you're going to be doing, to make sure that it works for you, okay? So listen, who can't do this? Like, this is the website. Just go to bucksinside.com. Can somebody write it below in the comment section below? And remember, in the comment section, always write down comments and let me know what you need from me. I'm all about helping people. I make a lot of money, so I believe that I should help you make a lot of money as well. Just let me know what your needs are. You know, I read comments all the time, so you put your comments below and I'll help you out. It's bucksinside.com, and they are going to pay you every 10 seconds basically to get money. Now, listen, if I gave you massive value, go ahead and smash the like button right now. Go ahead and sub to the channel. As you can see here, I have a ton of make money online type of videos of many people that love me, that send me emails every day and say, Wesley, I love you. Keep making these videos. I made my first $200 based off your free content. And the great thing about me that people love me like yourself is because 95% of my content is free. You don't have to spend a dime, okay? So last thing, before I let you go, some of you may want to be mentored by me, trained by me. You want to learn more because you're tired of the 9-to-5 job. You're tired of working for the man, working for the woman, whatever, okay? Now listen, to do this, what I'm about to show you, yes, you have to work. I mean, you got to put in the work. I'm going to make it easy for you. And the reason why I said easy, because I helped a young lady maybe a year or two ago. She was just like a lot of you, don't know how to make money online, right? Confused. You're not a techie person. If you're that type of person, this is for you. I want to invite you to a full training, and I'm going to put the link right here, okay? And I'm going to put the link in the description right under this video here, okay? Now listen, the training itself is free. Okay, it's the full training, step by step. It's about 2 hours long, but it shows you exactly what I do to make money like this. Let me log into another account here, and while you go and click that link and register for that training here, this is what I want for you. I want you to wake up in the morning and have money coming into your bank account every day. 4,000 a day, 3,000 a day, 2,000 a day, right? And I'm going to show you how to do this on autopilot. I'm going to show you how to do this on several accounts. If you just look And what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the link here again. I'm just going to type it in my browser, but I will put the link in the description below. And it's not mandatory, but if you're just tired of the 9-to-5 grind, but if you want to continue working for other people, keep working for other people. It's all good, you know. But here's the full training. Go to that link. The young lady that I helped, and she's 29 years old. She makes $100,000 a month. I took her from $0 to $100,000. And listen, it will work only if you listen and if you grind. Like if you're not a grinder, if you're lazy, if you think that's just a get rich quick scheme, or you're gonna do nothing, you think you're just gonna read books and all of a sudden you're gonna be rich. No, you have to work. We're gonna work with you directly. Just go to that full training, check it out. You'll learn a ton of information to get you from your job. Most people that just watch the training itself, I've seen people make $2,000 to $3,000 a month because we give a lot of value. Much love. Click the link, and I'll make sure I leave the link in the description below. I love you guys so much. Make sure you smash the like button, baby. This is Wesley, $1 billion virgin. Let's go. Motivated, dedicated. Let go.